Hi guys, welcome to Hardest Info channel. Today I want to show you how remove magnification on your Samsung Galaxy A35. To do that, open Settings application where we must find our accessibility selection. Now we choose our vision where we have our magnification right there. To turn on it, we must switch on and choose option to activate it. Maybe this one. We can also add all of that and confirm by OK. And now there's our shortcut magnification. We must press on it and we open it. To change position of our zoom, use two fingers and swipe on the screen. When you use only one, you can only go up and down. You can also zoom on or zoom out. To turn off it, press again on your shortcut magnification. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.